Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Um, my name is Annabel Saludes. I'm 39 years old, married. I have 2 kids. Um, eight ages, 18 years old and 16 years old. Um,
What is your religion?
I'm Roman Catholic. I have 5 sisters and 3 brothers.
And what is your position in the family?
I'm 7
What is your educational attainment?
high school graduate.
Have you ever worked before as a helper abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In Saudi Arabia.
For how long?
10 months now.
Why you did not finish the 2 years contract?
Financial problem.
To whom?
My boss.
Your employer.
Yes.
Okay. And so your employer encountered financial crisis.
Yes.
How many members of the family did you serve here?
5 now.
Who are the 5 members?
Madam and sir, the 3 kids, 14 years old, 12 years old, and 9 years old.
Okay. What did you do as a helper in the house?
I do cleaning, ironing, washing clothes and dishes, car washing,
How many car you need to car wash?
1 now,
How often you do car washing?
once a week.
Once a week. You go to
Yes.
market?
Yes, ma'am.
How often you go market day?
I go with my madam. Sometimes I go alone.
Okay. Besides working in here in Middle East, do you still have any experience as a helper?
Yes, ma'am, in Philippines.
For how long?
2 years, ma'am.
How many members of the family did you serve?
4, ma'am.
Who are the 4 members?
Mom, madam, and sir, and the 2 kids.
How old the kids?
5 years old and 7 years old.
Girls or boys?
Boys, 1 boy, 1 girl.
Who's the boy here?
The 5 years old now.
Okay. And what did you do as a helper in the house?
I cleaning, washing, ironing, and feed the kid.
Okay. So you also took care of the kids here?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
And why do you want to work in Hong Kong now?
I want to help my husband and to earn money to support my kids and my family.
Your family allows you to go abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
And how long you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years, ma'am.
Only?
Yes, ma'am.
So after 2 years, you go home?
It depends to my employer.
So as long your employer needs you, you will work with them?
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Okay. And your day off will not fall on Sunday. You will be given only weekdays off. Is that okay for you?
Okay, ma'am.
There's a grandparent staying in the house. There's no problem with you.
It's okay, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any pet?
No, ma'am.
And are you willing to look for a newly born baby in Hong Kong?
It's okay, ma'am.
Okay. Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
Your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
Hi there, madam and sir. Good afternoon. I am willing to work with you there. So I know how to care a kid. I know how to cook, and I am a trustworthy person. Thank you, ma'am.
Will you promise to do your duties and responsibilities?
I will promise to do my responsibilities and to
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2089.